Hello everyone. Here's a hack to get tons of coins in Clumsy Ninja. So firstly, you want to make sure you have this inventory. Obviously, as you can see, you have to wait quite a while for it. What I do anyway, I think it does it all the time. Oh no, it's because... Oh, I understand why. It's because I've already done the glitch. Okay, so I didn't know that before. So doing this glitch will make this happen. Normally it has to be 1 day. But because I've done it, okay, right, let me just show you the glitch. I think I might know how to fix it though. I think you have to be about level 16 or 17 to get this. To get it, go over to this. The apple tree. You can get other things as well, such as the bee nest and all that stuff. So this is to get infinite cash, and also instead of having to wait for like your repair thing to finish, you can do this as well. Same with the chicken. Right, so here's how the glitch works. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my settings. I've already sorted this out. Go to settings, general date and time. Turn set automatically off, and then you can skip 1 day, but I'm going to have to skip a few like that, and then go back on Clumsy Ninja. Oh yeah, and it can also work with your lucky box. Did I do it long enough? No, I didn't. But you did see it had a shorter duration if you saw that. It's a 1 day and 19 hours. Ignore my voice, I am very ill. I'm supposed to be at school today. Look, as you can see, eggs finished. And there's now 500 coins. Here's a little cheat. Here's the other thing. Like if I was to do this, you know them annoying missions where you have to do this and then, oh god, then like repair it. Either use your gems or wait. This is what you can do, so I'm just going to finish this. I know he's not in the position he's supposed to be, but he can still block sometimes. Oh yeah, and there's the lucky box. You can also do this for the lucky boxes too. Oh god. It just totally works. Here we go. Yay me. So, here we go. See, we got an hour. Ooh, okay, I just want to see what this potion is. Great, mastery potion. I'll get it later. I want to use it, but no, there's no point. Right, so as you can see, got an hour to wait until we can do it again. It costs 3 gems to fix it. What we're going to do is we're going to go to our date and time, change the day, and go back on it, and just wait for it to load. There you go, look, it's all ready again. Just go over here, it's ready and the egg's ready. I think I know how to fix it. Instead of having to wait like 8 days if you do reset your thing, don't press on any of these. What we're going to do is we're going to set automatically, and then go back. Sorry if it doesn't work, but I'm pretty sure it will. No, it doesn't, so you do have to wait quite a while, but it doesn't matter. I'm sure none of you will mind. Rip. Anyways, that's all, and yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one, if there is a next one. Goodbye.